Hello and welcome once again to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we're talking about a website where you can convert your excess airtime to cash, or maybe you made a mistake in recharging. You can convert it to cash back through airtimeflip.com. Airtimeflip.com is the best website where you can convert your excess airtime to cash. This website is actually should I say paid? It's free, but they are going to take their own percentage. They'll take 20% of the airtime you want to convert to cash. So they deal in data, airtime, and others, but they mainly base on conversion of airtime to cash. So a video to the tutorial on how to use airtimeflip.com will be added in the description. Do well to check it out. If you like this video, don't forget to drop a comment. I'll see you in the next video.